this and this, and you are asked to add them together, what do you do first? First, we need to understand that 6-digit numbers, they range from 100,000 to, so just between, to 999,999. So any number that falls between this, between 100,000 and 999,999, we call such number a 6-digit whole number. Whole numbers are numbers that do not have decimals or negative, so they start from 0 and continue forever. So that from 0 to all the positive numbers that you can think of. To solve this question number 1, solution. Here we'll apply our knowledge of place value system. Question 1, we are given 352,746. We are told to add it to 214,583. So these are the two numbers that we are going to add together. Adding this, we have to recall our knowledge of place value system. To solve this, we'll use place value system and arrange this in column format, where each of them will be properly placed according to their place value. So let's bring up our place value chart for a 6-digit number. So for a 6-digit whole number, 6-digit whole number ranges in hundreds of thousands. We'll arrange this according to their place value, beginning from their ones. And remember, we'll always start from the last number on the right. That is our ones place. Here is ones. So this is our ones. For here, 6 is our ones. So we'll write out the first digit number. Let's start with ones. Let's write the ones first. 6, 4, the tens, the hundreds, 7, the thousands, 2, the 10,000s, 5, the 100,000s, 3. We'll do the same thing for the second number. The ones is 3, the tens is 8, the hundreds is 5, the thousand place is 4, the 10,000 place is 1, and the 100,000 place is 2. Whenever you have multiple digit addition numbers, we are going to always start from the ones place. We said we always start from the ones place, which is from the right. Okay, so when we add these two numbers together, the ones place, we have 6 and 3. They are on the ones place. 6 plus 3 is 9. So here is 9. On the tens place, which is the next place value, we have 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Here we'll apply our knowledge of regrouping, where we have a number that exceeds the tens place. So we'll write the ones, which is 2. Here is 12. So we have 12. We'll write 2 and regroup the 1. Okay, so we'll regroup the 1 into the next place value place. So let's circle it so that we know that this is regrouped. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus the one that we regrouped is 13. So 13, what do? We'll write 3 and regroup 1. So here we'll write 3, regroup 1 into the next place value. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus the one that we regrouped is 7. So here is 7. In the 10,000s place, we have 5 and 1. We'll add these two together. 5 plus 1 is 6. In the 100,000 place is 3 and 2 that we have there. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Our answer to 352,746 plus 214,583. Our answer is this. So it will give us 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 9, which is red. 567,329. This is our answer. So we'll always arrange them in column format, just like this, and then we'll put our addition sign, then we'll add them like this. The place value system helps us to organize our work neatly and not to make mistakes. Let's look at the second question, which involves subtraction. We'll need to restate the second question for clarity's sake. Question is 573,824. We need to subtract 246,391 from it. The same method that we used in solving this is still the same thing that we are going to use, which is what? Place value format. We need to arrange these two numbers in column format according to their place value for us to see things clearly and be able to solve them clearly one after the other. Solution. So let's write it out again. We have 5, 7, 3, 8, 2, 4. 573,824. Okay, so let's start also from the ones and start writing 1. The next number is 9. The next is 3. The next is 6, the next is 4, the next is 2. This is subtraction. Note, this is for the case where the two-digit numbers are equal. There are cases whereby you are adding a 6-digit number against a 4-digit number or against a 2-digit number, or you're subtracting two numbers that are not of the same size. Remember that this is our ones, this is our tens, this is our 100, this is our 1000, this is our 10,000, okay, and this is our 100,000. We'll subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 9. 2 is less than 9, so we need to ask for help from the next number, which is 8. We can say, Mr. 8, please can you give us one of your tens? And when it is giving us one, it's not just an ordinary one, it is 110. So when that 110 is coming over to meet this, it will be 12, because 10 plus 2 is 12. Now we can subtract. Remember that this is no longer 8 but 7, because we have removed 1 from it to give to the number that needs help. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. We have in the thousand place 3 and 6. 3 is on top, and the number on top shouldn't be less than the number below for us to be able to subtract easily. So we notice that 3 is less than 6. We also need help. We need help from the next place value, which is the 10,000 place, and we have 7. So ask Mr. 7. Say, Mr. 7, can you give us one of your tens for us to make up our number? So if we take 1/10 from 7 and add to 3, it will become 13, and 7 will drop to 6. So now we can subtract 6 from 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 6 minus 4, because 6 is now remaining here. 6 minus 4 is 2. Here we don't have a problem in the 100,000 place, because 5 is bigger than 2. So we can easily subtract 2 from 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Our final answer will now be 327,433. So this is how we can easily subtract and add whole numbers, especially 6-digit whole numbers, in this video. So in this video, we have learned that place value is important. If you can be able to arrange those numbers according to their place value, you will be able to solve the question given to you easily. Thank you for watching this episode. If you really enjoyed this and you want more of these kind of videos, please like, comment and share to support the channel for us to be able to do more. Thank you.